Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Today's notary tip is make sure you make it convenient for your clients to do business with you. What do I mean by that? Do you accept Cash App? Some people think accepting Cash App is ghetto. I'm just gonna say it. Now, what does that really mean? Ghetto, to each be his own. I don't know. But some people don't think you should take Cash App in your business. There is an actual Cash App business, and then there's Cash App personal. So until I decided that I was really going to do this as a business, I used my personal one. I kept everything together, but then when I realized, hey, you know what, this is going to be my business, then I separated my Cash App. So I have two. I have a personal Cash App, I have a business Cash App, okay? The same thing for my Zelle. I have a personal Zelle, I have a business Zelle, okay? And even for my checking accounts, you got the,
right onto Laurel Falls Drive.
You know what I'm saying? I got the personal / the business, okay? Two separate things. So anyway, make it easy for your clients to do business. Download the QR code for your Cash App so they don't have to look for it. If they don't know how to work it, if they just open up their camera and scan your QR code, it will take them straight to Cash App. You may not even know how to do all of that. So I also accept credit, debit. I also accept, I only take checks from attorneys. I'm out here in this Georgia pollen, y'all, so it's been got in my throat. But I usually only take checks from attorneys or older clients. I'm not in the habit of taking checks. Even from attorneys, be cautious. Be cautious, because if they're a very small attorney, then who knows if you're going to get paid. Let's just be real. But anyway, I just wanted to bring that little tip to you today. Make sure you make it easy for your clients to do business with you. They should not have to say, oh, let me run to the bank and get some money, you know. If they want to, fine. But don't let it be because you're not prepared to accept payments, okay? All right, that's all I got for you today. Bye. This is Notary Life with Kimmy.